Are you somebody who love to save but you like to be stylish? To be honest with you, I'm not a fashion guru. As a matter of fact, I'm the totally opposite of that. I don't really care about label. I don't care about brand name. I don't care about any of that. I'm a kind of person, I'll shop in the thrift store if I have to. I don't even want to stress myself about like things like how am I gonna dress if I have the red bottoms or things like that. To me, it's comfortable over spending crazy money. So, but at the same time, we women, we still want to look good every once in a while. To be honest, most of the time, I like to wear muumuus. My friends used to make fun of me all the time. They're like, "Oh my god, like I'm such a grandma, like I'm such a granny. Like I don't even care." But time to time, you probably have a date you're going to, so you have to make yourself look a little bit nicer. So, this is what you could do. Find yourself a huge shirt, just like I'm doing, and you can like just like do whatever you want to do. I took one of my husband's shirt and I was able to make so many style in it. And there's so many more. I didn't want to show you because they're too revealing. Yes, too revealing for my taste, but you can do whatever you want. I'm just going out with my husband and I just want to be simple and cute. The thing is, it's not the label, it is not the designer who's gonna make you feel about good yourself. It's you, the person that you are, and confidence. To be honest, I think I look nice with this style. What do you think? Do you have any other style that you can show me? Lenu pa genyen kob, men ki sa nou ka pou nou achete rad chè pou nou met sou nou pou nou fè wè. Lè kon sa, designer yo pa mèm konen ou mèm. Kon yo wap depanse un paket l'ajan pou yo. Moi mèm se totalement opposite. Allez essayer ça pour nous. Let's go try it. Maybe you'll like it, maybe you won't. Peut-être nous ka remel, peut-être nous ka pa remel. It's up to you. If you have it, do it, girl. If you don't have it, don't stress it. So, si ou genyen, fè sa ou vle avèk l'ajan. Si ou pa genyen tout, fè sa ou kapab.